Hello, in this video, I will show you how you can use GPU in your browser. You are going to use the Google Colab for this exercise. At first, your browser has to be Chrome, and you search TensorFlow, which because it is the package that we are going to demonstrate. TensorFlow with GPU, and you will move to this link because we are going to use it in Google Colab. Okay, so I open that up. All right. Because we are going to use the Google provide GPU, so we have to set the runtime, change runtime type to use GPU and then save it. Okay, it did not depend on our GPU anymore. So you can run on any platform. At first, this is a Python script in the executable form, including document. It's called Jupyter, right? So what you do is just you execute through it's okay. Let's check the environment whether our browser will actually run with GPU. So this notebook, we call this kind of format notebook. It's a TensorFlow with GPU notebook. And the first execution is to check if the GPU is being installed correctly, connected to our browser. Okay, so we run it, and yes, it found GPU. Okay, then the next is a demonstration of the execution of GPU and compare the speed of using GPU and without using GPU. So what it does is here, right? So it do a kind of a convolution to dimension. It's just like it pick a random image and then apply some filtering. Filtering in this case maybe look like a smooth filtering or raise up the contrast on or many things depend on the type of filter you apply to. Okay. So this one using CPU and exactly the same script or the same program is using GPU. Okay, right? And then it executes CPU once, GPU once, and collect the time, and then compare to time. Unfortunately, I don't know which image. It does not show us the image. But anyway, this is just exercise to try your hands on running the GPU. So we just execute this script. Right? And we get the result. Okay. So we want to convolute using this kind of filter over random. Wow. Quite a lot, right? And 100 by 100, okay. And there's 100 of this. Okay. So 100 picture, so to speak. The normal CPU give you around 4 seconds, and the GPU give you around 0.04 seconds. So speed up depend quite 70x, and it depends on the environment that you are running at that time. So I hope this will help you to try your hands on GPU in the easiest possible way.